letting out a little bit of dirt. Oh no. Oh,
he's grabbing it. We need to be safe so he doesn't drop without the knife. How did he get out?
oh, now he's gonna pump it.
Imagine this is allowed at all.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just watch.
He just lift up his bucket. Now he's going to
I think that's probably a little high.
what happened there?
They're testing the height, seeing how high that is. He needs to know how much dirt to put down.
Hey, his tracks are moving.
So he's gonna get some more dirt. Really careful. This is so cool. And then he's gonna turn. And then he's gonna turn. Move back just a little bit. And what is he gonna do?